What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing Rotta the Hutt from the Mandalorian and Grogu. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, we're going to draw that fold across the center of the nose. Starting on the left side, we're going to go up in the middle, round this out, and then bend that down towards the right. Now let's add in the nostrils. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Starting on the left, we're going to bend this out and then down, just following that same curve. Do the same thing on the right side. That's going to add some thickness to the nostrils. From the left side, I'm just going to curl this around and then tuck that up underneath. And we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Now we're going to move up and draw in the fold of the brow. Let's go to the left side. We're going to bend this in and then up. And then do the same thing on the right. Let's draw the top of the eyelid. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up, round out the eye, and then bring that down towards the side. Let's go over towards the right side, doing the same thing. Come down towards the side. Now let's draw on the bottom of the eyelid. On the left, we're going to step in, curve this down, and then pull that up towards the inside. Let's add in those large pupils. Starting from the top center, curve this out toward the left, and then back in toward the center. Go up to the top, curve this in, and then back down towards the point. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And we'll fill the center of the pupils in black. Let's add a fold across the top of the eye. We're going to go up in the middle, come in, and then down. And we're also going to add a fold underneath the eye, starting from the side of the nose, coming down, and then up. Now we're going to draw in those thick brows. Let's start from the inside, curve this up above the eye, come around the side, and then pull that in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, going around the eye, and then in. And it'll close off the top of the head. Starting back on the left, curve this up, across the middle, and then back down. Let's move back down and draw in the mouth. Starting back on the left, curve this up in the middle, come down. And it's going to curl this up towards the corners of the mouth. Let's add a bracket on the ends. Now we're going to come back down in the center. We're going to add a chin with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's curve the bottom of the head. Starting underneath the brow, we're going to step up, bend this down and out on both sides. It's going to round up the jaw, come around and just bend that in. Let's go back underneath the eyes. We're going to add a fold, going out and then down towards the cheeks. We're going to add a few more folds across the top of the head. On the left, bend this up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add one more fold going up the center. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start underneath the head on the left side. We're just going to curve the chest, going out, come around, and then bend that in. Let's line this up on the right. Going out, and then bend that in towards the same height. Now let's tuck in the body underneath. We're going to step over, curve this out, and then down, go over towards the right side. Now I'm just going to come down towards the same height. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the tail. Just going to blend this into a curve going across the bottom, and then bend that up. Now I want to tuck this in along the right side. So just going to round up the tail and then taper this so it gets wider as you come back in. Let's go back to the center of the chest. We're going to add a fold, going up and then down. And then in the center, just underneath the chin, draw a straight line coming down the middle. Let's give this character some ab muscles. We're going to start in the center, bend this down and then out toward the left. Let's leave a small gap, curve this down and out towards the right. Let's add another set. Coming down and out, leave a gap, and draw that one more time. Now I want to continue this trim across the body, starting underneath the cheek, bend this out, in towards the bottom of the chest. Go back over towards the left side, bend this out, and then down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right side, bend this out, and then down towards this point. Let's add in the arms. We're going to start from the base of the chest, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a small bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket. Step down, curl the second finger going up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the thumb, add that first finger, and then the second. Now we're going to go back up towards the cheeks and draw on the shoulders. So let's start on the left, bend this out, and then down towards the bottom. Line this up on the right. Now we're going to tuck the outside of the arms in behind the shoulders. So we're going to step up, bend the arm going out. We're going to blend this into the last finger and just tuck that in towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Rotta the Hutt from the Mandalorian and Grogu. And once you're done, I want you to share your artwork into the Sketch Club on School, and you can do that by clicking the link down in the description below to start your 7-day free trial. And don't forget, by joining today, you get access to all our courses and workshops and all our membership features. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.